Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're actually gonna be reviewing Boxycharm November. I know I'm so late, but it's okay. So if you wanna see what I got in my box, please keep watching. So I know I've been gone for a few, like I've been absent for a long time. It's because I work in retail, so November and December are always gonna be busy, always. So my hours are longer, and I barely have time to post. So usually I always post my days off, but so like right now it's my day off. I'm recording. So if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. If you're a recent subscriber, thank you so much for always sticking around. I know we had a YouTube purge. I lost a few subscribers, but it's okay because those were fake or they were old or they were closed accounts, but it's okay. So today we're gonna be reviewing Boxycharm November. The box is bigger and it's so nice. Inside is red. I'm so excited about this box. You guys have seen on Instagram how much I talk about it, but so this machine is actually called Stellar, and it gives you that information on the back. So open it up, it gives you all the information, and then get the dragon. So we got some Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette. I love High Press Antioxidant Dew Quench. I love it. Becca Shimmery Skin Perfection. It looks so nice. Tula Skincare Brightening Mask and Boxycharm 2-piece brush set. Oh, those are so cool. We're gonna review them. So let's dig into the box. First thing on the box, we got this Kypress, that's how you mention it, Antioxidant Dew. I actually did a little review of this product and it's so nice. It's kind of like exclusively for Boxycharm. So it's kind of like antioxidant dew serum. I tried it. It kind of looks like you guys know what it looks like. Yes, it does. But it feels so nice on the skin. It felt really good on the skin. There's a thing going. I mean, I heard it many times that the semen is actually really good for your skin. That's what I read, but maybe this is it. And it smells good, and it makes our skin really good. Next thing on the box, we got the 2-piece brush set. Oh, I love them. They're so good. Like I tried them already, and it feels so soft. It's wood, so it's crazy. And too nice. So doesn't say what. So it's a face for foundation brush and for liquids and powders and I tried it. I tried from the highlighter. It is really good. Now here we have the Tula Brightening Cosmic Hydro Mask. So I'm gonna keep one and the other one I'm gonna give it away. But they actually look really nice. They're clean and effective. I think I already tried something from Tula and it looks like it's very effective, so I might try it out. It says I use mask 2 times a week, but one is gonna be for the giveaway. Now here we have the Becca Cosmetics Shimmering Skin Perfection and Vanilla Quartz. I have never tried something like this from Becca, so I was so excited to actually try it. It already left it gives it a very shimmery look. Just try it out with the brush from Boxycharm. It's kind of too powdery. It's not that much like glow on it. Wow, kind kind of like a little bit, but it looks too powdery and it's kind of like weird. I don't know what you guys think. Comment below what you think about this product because I'm not really liking it. And it's actually called Vanilla Quartz. But I'm not really liking this. Last but not least, I got the foundation from Becca too. So it kind of sent me like 3 colors so I can try it out and tell them which one is gonna fit me. So pretty much Driftwood. It was actually the perfect one that kind of like matches my skin. So it's gonna be this one. And last but not least, we got the superstar of the box. We get the Celestial Toner from Dominique Cosmetics. It is so beautiful. It is such a beautiful palette, like the colors, everything on this palette, it is so beautiful. And I'm so happy I got this palette. So let's do some swatches. Oh, the colors are beautiful. Like when I swatch them, you can feel like the quality on this palette. Each color comes with a name. So we have Eternal Light, Fireball, Black Matter, Zero Gravity, Lucid Dream, Storm Dust, Lunar Eclipse, and Mystic Eyes. My favorite is gonna be this one, the blue one. I haven't tried it yet, like I haven't done a look on this palette, but definitely I'm gonna, do one and I'm gonna post it. I did do a little mini tutorial right here on this, or the whole box, like a tryout on this box. If you guys haven't seen it, the link is right here. You guys can check it out. This box was definitely like a good box. I'm not gonna lie. The products that we got was kind of like an upgrade on the other boxes that we have, especially the look on this new box that we got. Actually seemed really cool. So I hope you all love my unboxing on November's Boxycharm. I know I'm late. It's December, and sorry, but I was busy. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Subscribe down below. Comment below what you think about the items that I got on my review. Let me know if you miss me. I'm in social media, WordPress, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.